Imagine a team of engineers hard at work to develop technology that change how we play games and use artificial intelligence. Hello friends, I'm Aiza Zia from SMP Creative Lab Bogor, Indonesia. Today, I want to share how great leaders bring people together through clear vision and strong responsibility, quality shown by leaders like NVIDIA's Jensen Huang. The use of new technology in video games is the reason why people come together. It is not to do with the desire to get to the next level, but rather to come closer to reach the better self. The intelligible leaders see our work as the contributor to the better globe will connect us more to each other. Instead of giving instruction, they have conversation to influence and everyone contributes to the process. Very important. Jensen Huang demonstrated this through a working where he made the team understand how they could revolutionize healthcare, cars, and science. If people are working on the same goal, they can get the job done much better as a team. Still, it is essential to be able to lead the vision in the right direction. Leaders who bring greatness in their followers are those who help people imagine the future that is worth pursuing together. Leaders who connect the dots between the daily hustle and the greater good are the glue that holds everyone together. If a good leader can stop talking about what to do, but instead shows that they truly want to hear people's stuff, they will gain everyone's trust. He did the real things that no one else talked about. As Jensen Kwang said, without our team is impossible. Great leaders are not just those who represent the existing status, but rather as those who inspire us to be innovative and let us we all come together to create something that has never been before. They teach us that by sharing a clear vision and being responsible, we can join people to solve a positive society. By working in this way, we not only care goals of money, but also brighter future. Thank you.